my name is Pragati and I've been in the academy for about a year now. It's been very good. Met a lot of people and I've learned how to actually run service accommodation. Right now I make about my job's worth of money, which I don't think it would have been possible without the academy, to be very honest. So.
Excellent. And tell me about how it's been learning from Samuel.
Very good, very fun. The way he teaches is he tells stories and it's not boring. I feel like before, when I was trying to learn about property, I got bored quite easily, but Samuel teaches it very well. Very smooth, and the mentors have really helped as well, so it's been good.
So you've been in the room presumably when deals have been happening around you, like Samuel's getting deals, other people in the course are getting deals. How does that make you feel watching this happen live?
High energy, very, very excited. I just can't wait to take on my first lease option deal now. So I'm very excited about that.
Excellent. And you got one in the pipeline?
I do, yeah. Yeah.
So how has your life changed since before you were at the academy and now?
Oh gosh, quite 360 in a sense of I feel so much more confident. Now I'm in a position where I can take on many more units. I can take on bigger deals. I've got JV partners on board. Even the eviction show, that was so fun. I wouldn't have had these opportunities without the academy.
Excellent. And so someone who was thinking about getting into property, why is Samuel's training things?
Number one, obviously, the people around you. You meet people from every single part of the country, which I don't know if any other platform has. The mentors, I can just go on my phone and just find an appointment for today itself, which has been so handy. But also just the confidence that it's brought me, the online training. Even if I quickly need help, I go on the AI tool. So once I was at a viewing and I really need to, I was getting a bit anxious, how do I pitch a lease option to a landlord? So I went on Samuel AI and quickly asked and it was so good. And I went to the viewing really confident. So that was quite nice. There's a lot of stuff.